Unlock hidden opportunities by finding properties that virtually scream for attention from motivated sellers. Distressed properties often have clear signs of neglect or financial strain, indicating owners might be ready to sell quickly. Dealmachine helps you spot these both visually and digitally. First, you can use Dealmachine's Driving for Dollars feature to physically identify properties with overgrown yards, vacant signs, or visible damage, or leverage the list builder to virtually search for properties that match specific distress criteria. Next, refine your search using powerful filters. Look for properties with absentee owners, high equity, or vacant status. Crucially, target those in pre-foreclosure, tax delinquency, or probate. These are often indicators of high motivation. Once you have a list of potential distressed properties, Dealmachine's integrated skip tracing will instantly pull up the owner's contact information, giving you direct access to reach out. Finally, utilize Dealmachine's robust CRM features to manage your leads. Track every call, email, or text, set automated follow-up reminders, and keep detailed notes to nurture these valuable connections into profitable deals.